Welcome to another My Jeep update, and we're continuing with the steering with the tires on, vehicle on the ground. The steering has become quite a project. I'll be doing additional steering adjustments, fine tuning over the next couple of days. And this is my Jeep, the next update. It's Wednesday, and if you look, you'll see that the tires are on the vehicle. Yes, that's what I've been working on today. I did not video any the work that I did earlier because I've done it before. I've been through all of this 2.5 to 3 years ago, and a lot of suspension and steering work. I got the tires on it. I put it on the ground and I drove it back and forth several times, hit the brakes. I'm trying to get that suspension and steering, get the weight on it, get it back in the position it's supposed to be. And now I need to do some fine tuning. My steering wheel is not centered anymore. I'm gonna have to do that. And I believe my toe end is off a little bit again. I'm gonna have to remeasure with the tires on it. And I believe I can still adjust my toe in on the ground. I'll measure with a tape measure from the center of the front of the tires, from one side to the other, and from the rear from one side to the other. And then I'll figure out what adjustments, if any, I need to make. Then I'll figure out any adjustments that I need to make, if any, and I'm sure I will though. So after any adjustments I make, fine tuning, whatever, I got to check all my hardware, all the bolts and nuts, make sure they're tight. And after final adjustments, then I'll torque everything to specs. I got a lot coming up yet. Okay, it's Thursday. We're checking tow limits again. Nancy's out here helping me. You okay, baby? Hi.
Let's go.
Yeah, she wants me to get going. She don't like this out here. It's pretty muggy or
No, not that. The spring.
humid.
Snow.
Okay, and yeah, we're just measuring with the tires now, and then I see if I need to make any tow limit changes or toe in changes out. Okay, next clip on measuring the toe. What we came up with, this is not as accurate with using my tools, but center of the tire, front and back, what we found on the rear was 61 and about 7/8 or 13/16, somewhere in that area. And on the front, it showed 61 and a half. So I think I'm about, it could be a 16th to an eighth off. I think I'm gonna leave it like this right now and deal with it later because I'm not worried about wear and tear on my tires. Those are old tires and they will be coming off and new ones going off at a later date. What I'm gonna do next, as you can see, my steering wheel is out of whack again. After I moved it, put the tires on it and dropped it down on the ground and drove it back and forth and braked real hard a few times, that's where it's at now. So that's what I'm going to concentrate on now, is getting my steering centered. Next clip on the steering. All right, I'm letting the toe end go as is right now. It's not too far off. And right now what I'm doing, I'm re-loosening some of these caster nuts and then re-torquing them to limits. I've already found some changes out. Okay, I'm just giving you a quick update. My Jeep, it's Sunday. This battery terminal switch is working great for me because I do have a draw. And when I want to start the engine up, turn it on, and after I shut down, I cut it off, and it saves my battery. It's always up now. Good morning. My Jeep update. Good morning. It's my Jeep update. It's Sunday morning, about 8:40, and I'm gonna get back on my steering where I left off in my last video. And I don't know if I'll drive it. I doubt if I drive it today, but I'm getting close. I could if I wanted to. But I'm taking my time, and I got other things to do too. I've had some work to do on my Fiesta. Had some new tires put on it, and I need to do an oil change. I may be taking it on a trip. Anyway, I still got the torque down check, then torque down on my bolts. I'll probably loosen them, make sure they're correct, because I torqued some of them when I shouldn't have, when it was up off the ground and the tires off. Anyway, and I still got to center my steering wheel. Anyway, I'll get back with you on the next clip. My Jeep out.
Thank you for watching the My Jeep updates. Hope you come back for the next one. It'll be posted pretty soon. Until then, we'll see you, and thank you. My Jeep out. The next video will be on test driving and checking that front end and steering, and check my work